Hello friends, welcome back once again to another chapter. Ngasi koina nainagadori chapter se koigi statistical formula Excel da sinaba statistical formula singdo adugi matangani. So let's jump into the Excel sheet. Here is the data. Okay, we have some value here. Value khare ko isdala around 20. So let's find out the value first. Instead of counting manually, we in the last chapter also we have learned about the count. So let's learn it. The function to count any sample size, any sample of the data is function count. Okay, count. Then value. We have to select the range where the data is. Okay, bracket close, and it will give you the figure 19. So we are having 19 numbers, 19 data. See, here it is 19 data. Okay, so it is counting 19 data. But if I change, suppose sigi data say in a text or in e then it changed to 18. Count hariba functions number ka count away. It does not count the text. If any text is included here in the data set, then it won't count the text. But to count text, we have another formula, that is count A. Okay, count A, then it will count it including the text. See, here all datas, 19 datas are count here. See the machine count A hiragana or count A hiragana numbers su text su punna tawbane aduga count hiragana only number khak tawbane. Say 50 do koi halaga irase whatever number it was, 68. Yes, man. So animak na same like same size la na figure la 19 sida su haire sida su 19 haire karigi numbers sida yawrise text yawtre with number ngata. So the difference between the count and count A is that count counts number, only number, and count A counts number as well as text. Count A na number su text su nangi range the yaw ising to pull up count bani to count na number ka count bani. Okay, average garang su mamagi chapter da ko in average if ki matang tangure the average puto ke hergadi magi function su average ni tongan ba to magi leite average dum igani ko so average and then number, select the number, control shift down, bracket close, hit enter. It will give you the average of the total figure. Means sigi number mayam sigi sum tawro matung the magi average ama puthopne boko 19 gi adugi average number tane so simple nangi mark da koi percentage puthopagum mani total fanga total nang percentage kam sali ko mean average kam sali puthopado dum mani average. Okay, now let's see what is median is. Median is nothing but it is the middle of the number range data set. So the formula is MEDIAN, median, and then I have to select the data set from here, range, control shift down, enter, and it's come to 55. So you may be wondering, if I change the figure of this one, then what will be the value? So let's see, 91. It does not change because it is not the average not the median is say how 90 doesn't thamase data se the lady but data se apun but data se part ani thona khai to adugi mayai de kai legi have see random figure the labor pone be se the lese adhai sorting to orga yeng se smallest to largest smallest to largest the count to orga the lere 10 de gi laiko 55 se mayai de lera mone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 the later was 55 yaudre 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 9 da lady sigi 54 amsung 56 ki marak ta laiba number du ne median ma putu shi agi laiba data type sample size do adu gi marak ta laiba du ne average harga di 52 laiba si divided by 2 na te ko. So let's undo it. Okay, and then mode. So mode abedi kari no mode dani lai amana mod have ma amana mode have ma mod gi matang da ko na tamsi hujik mode sigi matang dani mode mode hai sigi formula sas saman na dum igani makha da lere ko sigi da mahan bagi mod sina te khan ga do ri aroi bagi se mode. Okay, so let's first select it aduga I explain it okay. So 68 mode is na kai no story ai gi lere data set sida number karamba number no repeat tawraga lakpa numbers 60 and hari mana ko 68 2 times yawbri yengsi ko sida maga yawre 68 atai di 90 98 90 90 atai yawde ko video si post tawragi yengo no si yawbra na ko yawr maga de du lakane basa adu kari gumba 98 sida lairi sida ko sida su si 13 hari ne 13 ai swaida 13 ne namu ye ko 91 ge sai 13 namu irage ida 13 ne si story ko 13 se ani sure ko ado mode na tawdori si kaino magi calculation se kadai dagi tawi top to bottom sat leba ko to ahan ba theng na ba number to adu gi do hoina mode na double ni hai gane ba suppose the 13 si 1 time 2 time ko 98 su 68 su first and second the 68 ke 13 ga se aina count or pa computer na systems ni interpret or pa matam da ahan ba theng na si 13 ne so it will ignore the second part, it will count the first one. Okay, so if I change this 13 10 here, again I will write here 10 this is 10 amu ike ko idu su 10 lai idu su 10 lai but still it will remain 13 because this 13 is before 10 10 gi mamang dane ba 13 lai ahida is 10 ni ga aduga sidana 13 ni ga it will change to 10. Understood? So and karam bana ko si practically ko kari disin nahi ai sigi artha kai lege sigi sina phom kasu laite na khalam be ko do sigi sina phom lai suppose nang dukan amada pot mayam yole nangi ko khong yole ko ki size tonga tonga no khong ki size sing lady 8 ki 9 ki 10 ki mayam lai bo ko adu nang na yeng ning e 10 ki size karam size na khwai di yam na yon ge nangi dukan da ne yeng ga da si por se puthok pu ya mo se sinner su ya bo. So there will be so many purposes which you can use this mode function in future. Okay, let's undo it, the changes which we have done. All right, okay, ठीक है. Then max अभी देखिए सुनते maximum figure मैं आपसे देखिए कोई देखिए वांग बा max statistical formula आता नहीं number select here to down bracket close. So 98 is the highest number. Even the numbers are figures is the quite one but 98 now. Similarly, we can find out the minimum number. Okay, same thing. Bracket close. So 10 is the lowest number. 10 is the lowest number in the range of data. Now we are going to do percentile. Percentile have a percentage have a khinaba malaiko. Man percentage haragadi akodum hotun later aigi class 10 की exam da aina phangiba marks si percent kya no hai total du hola matung da aigi full mark tu holaga aigi aphang ma mark da full mark ni ye tho kan 100 na multiply tawraga phange ko adu percentage ka we percentile haragadi position ne ba suppose akhoi gi class da mi tara le ba mi tara se gi manung da IC 80% chatle ba 80% chat pusi percentage ne ba 80% chatli ba ai se mayam dugi tara dugi manung da kaya suba position da lai 25th percentile da lai 45th percentile da lai hai base adu da hai gane ba adugi position du ta kane ba relative position hai ta lai riba mayam da gaina adugi position du lai hai base ai gi फंगिबा मार्क तो ताकने सुमाइना सिदा 25 percentile 25 position दा आइगी सिदा लेरिबे डेटा से 25 percentile दा करंबा फिगर ओइदिनो अदु पुथोकदोइने बिसदा so percentile है मैम यावरिको यावरिसिदा खनगनो अरोइबेगी सी percentile exe खनबिया दे inc exe का यावरिसे लौबिगनो only percentiles सिदा select तोबियो अदुगा array हैरगदी range of data नि समानेको k हैरगदी k ना म यावरिसे variable म यावरिसे सिना कोइ सिदा हंगिबो क्वेश्चन ने 25 position दो 25th मनी 25 नि बिया दे 0.25 e गदो बको 0.25 so 25.5 is the 25th percentile of this total data. Similarly 75th percentile is the so move irani percentile percentile tab okay then 75 the karini ni 0.75 percent I was 0 to 1 की value दुनी मार्क तलाई बपोने बको 100% है इसे लाका दो 0 to 1 कोई पूरी रमतुंग 100 न पूरी divide तो बने percentage आ रही वो मथकता आएगी पाम भी percent ले रही मखाद 100 ले बने बको अगर मखाद 100 तो नहीं है तो तार का दी point लाख रहा तो percentage is always करी तो नहीं 0 to 1 मनुंग ले गए 10% आदि 0.1 20% 0.2 30% 0.3 तो बिना पूरी गए बको So 68 is the 75th percentile of this data set. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Mathangi chapter da mathangi lesson da koi rank ki matang da second largest and third largest sumena to pakhar putok pagi tawani ko mathangi class tam unarasi. Thank you very much. Bye bye.